Hello everyone, this is Devansh Kaushik and I am submitting my SG-assignment 1 VirtualBox implementation. So I have these three servers, three VM boxes. I have started the one as a web server, two is database, and third as a normal VirtualBox. And I started one as headless to show that it is accessible from OS and from my host system and as well as from 3. So let them just load for now. So I've opened my PowerShell to show that it is that I can access my VM1 from my host. Also, I need to show the configurations for each of them. So all of them are individually connected to the host from using NAT. So NAT, and then all of them are connected to NAT network local cluster 1. And if I show also, okay, since they are loading, I will start this as well. And I'll go to this and then go to So what I am doing is actually not just NAT, I am also using port forwarding to access my access VM1 from my host. So as you can see, I can access VM. So that was the first, I guess, assignment of the same. So showing the network configuration of all VMs. Here all of them are connected to NAT and all of them are connected to NAT network so that there is a virtual network in the 3 VMs, and all of them are connected to the host for Wi-Fi access using NAT to the host. Okay, and accessing web application from VM role number 3 and accessing web application from the host application. So I can access the web application from the host application. As you can see, SSH view of user this, and to show how I did that, I went to settings and let it load. Network advanced, this one, port forwarding. So I set up SSH and web in order to access them. I showed you SSH using the port 2222 and to the guest port 22 to show where. Let me check if the sudo system what was it? Start Apache. So it is already running. So if I go here and then localhost, it's just localhost. It's 127.0. Yeah. 127.1 colon 80. So as you can see, I can access that, and now I have made 2 pages in this. So if I show here, also to verify that it is stopped, it is on that VM1 and not in my host, I'll give proof of the same. If I stop and then refresh it, it does work. So I can access it from there, and if I go to, this is VM3. Hello. In the meantime, I'll show how I am doing this is my phpmyadmin in VM server in the database too. So if I go here and check, this is not running, I guess. So it's loading a little because there are 3 servers. Let me also show what the files are. So if I go to cd grab www/html and ls, so I have 2 files here, insert php and retrieve php. Okay, now let me show how they are working and if they are working as well. So if I go to insert.php, I can insert just basic data, name and emails while adding on and so I think I already have an entry with this email ID. Oh, connection refused. Oh, I have not started the. It's taking time to work. Just a second. So, as you can see, I had not started the phpmyadmin. So now I have gone through and started the same. So sudo system start Apache 2 and start MySQL. So this is my phpmyadmin, and if I enter the password, just a second. I should log in. Also, to show from VM3, I can access the DB as well. And now, since that phpmyadmin, I started the phpmyadmin. So if I try to access from VM3 and add .com, if I go in server, this is a duplicate error, so it is also checking primary key. So I'll do another system. So it is interacting with the DB. And if I submit now, it works. So now go to retrieve. I can see that banana is also entered to the DB, and I can enter data from here. Now if I go to my host, and if I go to insert, now if I add the rate, so it adds the data and retrieve, and I can retrieve the data. Also, in order to show what the code actually is, so here I can also check here phpmyadmin and info and ignore. All the data is here. And if I go to PowerShell and check this file, so this displays the error that it showed the primary key. This is my configuration 192.168.120 and the password. And here I'll just make a basic form, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So VM1 is holding my web server, VM2 is holding the database, and VM3 is just to show that I can access through it, and showing the network configuration of all the units done. Accessing web application from VM3, yeah, I can access them, and VM1 from host web application. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.